Hello, everyone. Let's talk about a new feature in Animation Scene Editor. It's a function that allows animation to follow a curve, such as constrain a walk cycle into a drawn curve. First, we choose an animation that moves forward. We right-click to import it. Import it in the Scene Editor. Now, you can see that this animation has been added. And this animation is a straightforward. To use this feature, there are some requirements. The animation must move straight ahead. Always forward. And it can't go while is tilting away. For example, it's a straight line going forward. It can't suddenly start, rotate to another angle. This is not allowed. And we can extend the length of the animation. Let's extend it a bit more, 500 frames. Okay, let's play it. Look at this animation. You can see that it's moving straight ahead, and it's also straight. Like this. This animation meets the requirement for following a curve. We click on this button, and it can draw a curve. For example, from here like this. OK, press Enter. It completes the curve drawing. After the curve is drawn, we select this curve. Then click Attach to Motion Path. You can see it's calculating now. Let's play it. You can see the character is walking along this curve now. Then if the curve extends, it will continue walking forward along the last exit angle. If the animation is longer than the curve path, it will do this. And we can edit the shape of this curve as well. We can use this. It can show the positions of the curve points. Sometimes, if it's hard to select them, we can use the outliner view next to it for selection. For example, select the second point, and then you can edit it. Then the third point. We can edit it. After the modifications, let's click this again. So it recalculates again. It's the same, still moving along the curve. And then we have another kind of situation. For example, normally our character moves straight forward. But if it starts as a line, it's still a straight line. But it moves at a different angle. Actually, we support that too. But we just have to click this button. Correcting direction. It actually corrects the angle of the first frame. So now it's facing forward. For example, here it's Z-axis forward. Here is Z-axis. This is the X-axis. And for example, by default, it moves in this direction. We'll rotate it from this direction to Z-positive direction. Of course, if it's already facing forward to Z-positive axis, you can ignore this feature. Okay, this can correct our direction, and then, if we want to cancel its stick on the curve, we just click Detach from Motion Path. And it will stop following the curve, and back to the motion animation itself. Like this.